Welcome back to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see the last year's MBBS state quota cutoff for SC category in Haryana state government colleges. If you are looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to our channel to get counseling updates. After opening the app, you have to select the cutoff menu on the home screen. After selecting that, you have to select state quota option. When you select it, a list of colleges will be displayed. You can also use the filter option which is present below the screen to show only government colleges or private colleges. After selecting that, we can click any of the names to know the cutoff details. In this video, I'm selecting SHKM Medical College. Here you can see the SC category cutoff as well as general category cutoff with NEET score, All India rank and state rank. If you belong to any other particular category reservation, you can also see their cutoff too. If you want to reveal state rank cutoff, you should have gold subscription. Here SQ stands for state quota. SC stands for category reservation. And the number to denotes round 2. For scheduled caste category, the last year NEET score cutoff was 500. So this year, if your NEET score is above 500, you may have a chance of getting a government seat in government college itself. If you have not installed MBBSCouncil app, you can install from Play Store by clicking the link in the description below. See you in another video.